Nice everyone, we've done the esquivas laterais from the front leg, from the back leg. Now I'm gonna teach you one more kick. It's the Lua de Frente. Yeah, Meia means half moon. Yeah, well, Meia, yeah, that's what it means. I'm gonna kick my leg. Imagine doing a circle clockwise. Yeah, or anti-clockwise, depends on each leg that you kick. I'm gonna show you again, kicking from the front leg, and then I show you from the back leg as well. I prefer to kick from my front leg. I'm more used to that, but that doesn't mean I don't kick from the back. I show you both. It's good to know both. It's good to get used to both. I'm gonna use a chair. You don't have to use a chair if you have something there, but it's good to have something to aim to, so you know the center. If I have something in front of me, I'm gonna try to aim my ginga to have that item or that person or the chair in front of me right in the center. So I'm here, almost in line with it. So we're not gonna do the ginga for now. We're only gonna be working on the kick. So from here, I have my right leg behind. Because I'm gonna kick with my front leg, so the actual kick happens from the front leg. So position of the ginga, I'm gonna step to my right. As soon as I step that leg, the other leg is going to be doing a circle, a half moon shape with the leg. Yeah. So when I step, I want you to step your toes already pointing 45 degrees at least. Why? To open up your hip, because this leg is going to go around, back, and then reset. Yeah. Wheels coming back to here. If my foot is pointing forward, when I pass my leg, it feels unbalanced because my hip is that way, my leg is trying to cross, so I have this angle here. That doesn't work. So I'm going to open my foot so I have more range of motion, movement to kick. Yeah? So we're going to nice and slow. This is what the leg does. I'm going to break down the arms as well. So I step 45 degrees. As I'm leaning into it, my arm goes first, my leg goes first. I change my arm and change again. Yeah, so now let's focus on the arm. So one here, as I step, my hand goes first because my weight is going that way. So keep the arms there, kick the leg over, and as I'm coming back, I change. Once we get used to it, we can put more sway so you get more momentum on the arms. But for now, just that. So we do one change. So here, 1, 2, 3, and come back. Okay, we have done the Lua de Frente from the front leg. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing from the back leg. Again, it's a little bit unusual, or some depends how much you train. I have trained more from the front at the beginning, and then depends who you play with. Some people kick from the back, so it's nice to practice as well. So from here, because it's harder to kick from the back because of the balance, I don't have the widest stance. Doing too slow is hard. Yeah, so feel free to stay away from the chair to start with, so in case if you drop a leg, you don't hit the chair. So from here, I'm gonna change the arm at the same time. So here, 1, and come back. The kick goes the same direction. Oh, actually, the opposite direction now because it's anti-clockwise. So from here, I start my kick here. It's pointless to start the kick here, because there is no one there. If I'm playing against someone, they're there. So I will lift my leg just before where he is and finish off around. Yeah, so here. 1,